Hello everyone, it's Millicent from Suzhou Meilong, and welcome to our company. It was established in 2012. We specialize in rubber pads for different kinds of valves, medical devices, electronics, and auto pads. Our main products are the valve sets for the butterfly valves, and also the sealing pads used in the medical devices, electronic, and auto pads. All the valve sets and the sealing pads are customized with different materials, different dimensions, and colors.
Here is the material machine placing and clips. Here is initial quality checking. Whatever makes the rubber for the first lot of product, we will have the initial quality checking before proceeding to next step. Here is the molding workshop. We clip the rubbers to specified weight before putting in the molds. After the molds warm up to the specified temperature, we put the rubber in. The technique will set at the pressure, temperature, and time for vacuumization.
Now we are in the trimming workshop. Here is the laser making process. The customer requires to have the laser making on the valve set for checking.
Here is one of our warehouse. The finished products are stored here, waiting for delivery.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.